Are you looking for the best wood folding tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wood folding tables that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Ashley Furniture Signature Design, Drop Leaf Table. This table is the right choice you should consider investing in. It is manufactured by a trusted source that is well known for stylish accessories and furniture. When you buy this table you will not incur any transportation cost or problems, as Ashley Furniture has made it a habit of doing packaging and delivering your purchase right at your doorstep in a timely manner. This is a perfect product for you to use in a small space area, as it fits perfectly in a small nook or your dining area and can be able to accommodate up to 4 people. Another great thing about this table is that it has a dark espresso brown finish that is so amazing and would make everyone enjoy the use of the table. Finally, this product is made of compact design, and if you are in of a dinner table, then this is the model for you to have. Number 4. Camco Bamboo 51893 Folding Table with Aluminum Legs. If you are looking for a wooden folding table that is durable and perfect to be used anywhere in the house, then try this table. The top of this table is made from bamboo that gives it an attractive look from all angles. This product is not only ideal in many areas but is also constructed in a sturdy design that makes it stable and able to last for a long duration of time. This wonderful table has lightweight telescoping aluminum legs, and you can easily fold the table flat to make its storage easy. In addition, when you purchase this table you will be able to get after-sales service and a warranty period of 1 year just in case the table gets damaged. Finally, this product has a convenient carrying handle that makes it easy for you to move the table around to any place of your choice. Number 3. A ZUMAYA Folding Coffee Center Table. This review cannot be complete without having to look at this wood table that comes when fully assembled. This wood folding table is unique and built in a simple and elegant design. With this table, you will have the great experience with its use, and you can easily set up in any place of your choice as it has folding legs. Unlike other wood folding tables, this table is made of natural walnut and rubber wood material that gives it a classy look. Additionally, the top of this product is of a satin finish with the horizontal surface made of sturdy design to enable it last long. In conclusion, if you want to invest in a wooden folding table, then opt for this model, as it comes with a lot of features that will interest you. Number 2. Nathan James 41001 Kalos Solid Wood Drop Leaf Folding Kitchen. This is an amazing table, as it is designed with an extension mechanism to accommodate the number of people available for the sitting. When both leaves of this product are added, the table can provide up to 6 people. If your space is limited, then this is the ideal table for you, as it is great for small spaces and apartments. You can easily collapse the leaves after having fun with friends or family members to save space and store flush against the wall. With this table you will be able to use it for a lot of things. You can remove one leaf and use the table as a desk makeup vanity or a game table. You can also be able to drop both leaves and make use of the table as a console table or television stand. Additionally, this table is built to last for a long period. It is constructed with water-resistant and anti-scratch material that makes it ideal to use every day. A stunning wood veneer in which this product is made of adds that perfect rustic glamour. Finally, this product has a solid wood base and can be able to hold up to 200 pounds. Number 1. Mikko Straight Edge Folding Card Table. This solid wood folding card table is made with a premium solid wood construction. The edges of this table are designed in a classic and straight look. If in need of a table for games, then opt to invest in this model, as it is the perfect choice for games and extra seating. In conclusion, no assembly is required for this table, hence this makes us ready for use immediately after purchase.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.